We're out here in Lake Forest, East Louisville, this home. It had an electrical fire in it. About once a year we get a call on fires or other flood damage. Louisville's got a bunch of great restoration companies, but when it's mostly or completely damaged, a builder like us will typically get a call about rebuilding the home. Today, instead of focusing on rebuilding this house, what I want to talk about is the insurance. We've done about 5 of these. In all the cases, they were underinsured. This is a huge problem here in our community, and I just want people to be aware of it. So when you're talking to your insurance company, the first thing is to sit down and you have to be very, very clear of exactly what's in your home. That is the homeowner's responsibility. The insurance companies are pretty good about giving a cost to replace those things, which is much, much higher a lot of times than the resale value. And then also have a discussion with your insurance company about what they mean when they say replacement value. For example, in many cases, we had one homeowner who could not rebuild it all and had to sell their property. And in several other cases, homeowners have to come out of the pocket for the difference that they're short. So it's really, really important to look at it, especially here in Louisville, where the cost to rebuild a home versus what it might sell for on the market today are very different in our marketplace. So in the near future, we look forward to being back out here with you here in Lake Forest as we begin to put this home back together for this family.